So, welcome back, dear students. So, in concentration of solution. So, basically, concentration of solution is what? The concentration of solution can be defined as the amount of solute present in a given quantity. What, beta? The amount of the amount of solute present in given quantity. In given quantity means what? Either mass or volume, mass or volume of the solution. So it is a simple definition. The amount of solute present in a given quantity. A given quantity means what? Mass or volume of the solution. So this we can differentiate in three categories. So see, first, mass concentration, that is small a. We will say here weight by weight. So weight by weight percentage, weight by weight percentage. Then small b, weight by volume percentage. And small c, volume by volume percentage. So such type of solution we have to prepare. So see here, we will see first whatever our small a, weight by weight. So whatever that weight by weight, that word itself suggests as weight by weight percentage. So see here, what is the definition of this first? The mass of the solute dissolving, the mass of the solute dissolved in 100 gram of the solution. 100 gram of the solution. So see here, weight by weight percentage is equal to mass of the solute in gram divided by mass of the solution in gram into 100. So mass of the solution, this mass of the solution is equal to what? Mass of solvent plus mass of solute. So mass of solution means what? Mass of solvent plus mass of solute. So it is the formula. So basically we covered this such type of numericals also in classroom. So small b, weight by volume percentage. So see the definition of this. The mass of solute dissolved in, the mass of solute the mass of solute dissolved in 100 ml of the solution. 100 ml of the solution. So here weight by volume percentage is equal to mass of solute in gram, mass of solute in gram divided by volume of solution in ml. Volume of solution in ml into 100. So we covered on the basis of this formula also numerical. So see, volume concentration, that is weight volume by volume. So see, the volume of the solute in ml dissolve in 100 ml of the solution. So we will say here formula also, volume of the solute in ml divided by volume of the solution in divided by volume of the solution in ml into 100. So solute, upper side solute and here also what solute divided by here mass of the solution, here volume of solution, here and here also volume of solution into 100. So into 100 it remains constant because we are finding percentage. Okay, volume weight by weight percentage, weight by volume, and volume by volume percentage. So such type of solutions, concentration of solution is very much important. We covered this such type of this all these, and we covered numerical also on the basis of this. So another so many types of solutions, as you know, solid solutions also there. So basically solid solutions means alloys. So as you know, alloys means alloys, it is a homogeneous mixtures of two or more metals or non-metals. So as we discuss alloys also, that alloys your brass. So just revising this brass, so that brass composition also, as you know, brass, copper plus zinc, then bronze. These are what solid solutions. Bronze is what copper plus tin. So so many uses it is used for making utensils, statues. So another example, stainless steel also there, used for then your only steel, it is made up of only your iron and carbon, whatever stainless steel for building material also. So solid solutions also here we saw. So whatever next part we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.